Ethan, what do you see outside on the bird feeder? What's outside on the bird feeder? What does the bird say?
Oof. Hoo.
That's your soup. You have goldfish swimming in your soup, and you have your banana and some orange. Hey, what does the birdie say outside?
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. That's right, and you finally saw birds on the bird feeder. Yay!
Oof. Boo.
What are you eating? What's this?
Pepper.
What is that? Is it orange?
On.
Orange. And what's in your bowl? Do you have soup? And what's that? Fish? Yeah, goldfish. And are you eating soup?
Oop.
Soup. And you have, what's this?
Banana.
Banana. That's right. And what's in your cup?
Water.
Water. That's right.